Kenneth from Anderson, Texas, has a question about adding a slab.
Yeah, he wants to put one, Dom, under this handsome home up in Anderson, he says.
Okay.
Kind of nice. He says it's elevated 12 by 12 on pressure-treated wood pylons, and it's about 10 feet off the ground and about 8 feet underground. And he says we'd like to have concrete slab poured underneath the house, and he wants to know how would you go around the pylons that are holding the house up to do that, to do it correctly.
If you're going to go around the pylons, you can't do it thin. You've got to do it somewhat massive. Well, I say massive, but thicker. So go at least a foot around the outside of the pylons when you're doing it. As far as pouring underneath the house on the interior pylons, you can pour right up to them. It's fine. It's not going to be a problem at all because it is wood you're pouring to. Just like a expansion joint would be wood, and you would pour up to the expansion joint. So you're going to it'll give enough to where you won't have a problem. If you don't want to go around the outside pylons, then just do your form board and just go around the two sides of them. Those would be your corners, and the three sides on the run like fence posts.
So you can pour the concrete right up against those pylons.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
because they're wood.
Okay,
right. He said that's pressure treated wood. That's exactly
the up and down and all that.
No, it's just a simple slab. If you're not going to drive a car on it, 4 inches is fine. If you're going to drive a car on it, go 5. Don't put a whole bunch of steel in there. It's not necessary.
Because it's
just a walking surface. It's not holding the house up. It's not doing anything but just
giving him a place
to put a picnic table. Yeah,
all right. It's a new place to store stuff.
It's like having a patio out in the backyard.
All right. Well, don't store your questions. Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com so we can answer them, like we did these videos over here. And we appreciate when you take time to subscribe to our channel.